Hi everyone, welcome back. Pretty much giving you an update. Been away for the last 2 weeks, got sick. Computer pretty much decided to crack itself, break down. Couldn't do any videos, recording or anything like that. So what I wanted to do is just give a quick recap of where I am, what I plan on doing. Again, not going to be offering any major information in this video, just a general idea of what's happening. So as you can see there, over the last couple of weeks, what I've tend to focus on is the coming Sonic launch, obviously the rebrand from Fantom to Sonic, and obviously the passive income things. So passive income side, it took a hit obviously with OVN. I know a lot of people were caught out in OVN. I'm one of them. I closed my position. I pretty much lost $1,000 in this position. You can see it's not down here anymore on my wallet. I pretty much sold out of it. I think I sold out of it around here, around the $17 mark when we got a pump here, pumped it back up to $18-19, sold it out, and I just sold as well. So not much has changed with OVN. I in general, but I just have a feeling that we could, until we start to maybe get a bottom out, I'm going to hold out. I'm hoping obviously we can get a bit more growth in it, and obviously if the percentages and all that and stuff are, this is the positions obviously I'm on, as you can see on Fantom chain, which is unreal at the moment. So keep an eye out on that for definite. So what we want to quickly have a look at is what the OVN position is at the moment. So you can see here the APR at the moment is 165%. Still decent enough APR. For that reason alone, that's why I will consider getting back into it. And again, still 12 million in it, so there's nothing to be sniffed at there. I pretty much did. I did earn much more than what I lost, but however, it's still a kick in the teeth when you lose $1,000, regardless if you're after making that and then some back. So bear in mind, I will be still doing the entire passive income side of things. I still do feel this is a massive opportunity. I need to focus on more on obviously the rewards and generate and taking full advantage of your earnings and stuff like that. That's what I definitely will be focusing heavily on. I will be pushing a lot more content in relation to Sonic. I feel that the ecosystem in general is a massive opportunity, and it reminds me of almost, if you have been around in 2020, 2021 time, around that, when it was all about Binance and DeFi started to kick off. I think Fantom changing to Sonic is going to lead down that. If you Google search Fantom Sonic, you're going to see hundreds of probably videos coming out about it. I've been talking about this now for absolute months on Twitter. If you're not following me on Twitter, get on over there to check it out. I do a whole series actually on Sonic Spotlight, so you can see different projects that I cover specifically here. So there's a host of content there, obviously, on how to use it. Also, I interact with a lot of people. However, not the last week or two because I've been away. But yeah, that's pretty much, well, being away, being sick. So with that in mind, pay attention to it. If we quickly jump over here, there's a host of meme kinds that I'm looking at on Sonic. You can see I have some of these positions already. Google's is one of the key positions that I'm really looking to build out into. I love seeing this now at the moment, a 33% drop. I missed the initial train on this. So, however, you look at the market caps, you're not missing a massive amount. You're still 9 million. You look at some of the bigger meme kinds, even on base chain, which is Brett, which is what market cap is 1 billion. We're way away from them highs. However, I do feel that we will see some of these meme kinds on Sonic when it launches to really hit that mark. So as I said, now is the time to potentially build out positions in them. In one example here that I'm using, you can see right here, Fantom THC, the position I'm happily farming. I'm farming Equal Token, which I think is going to be one of the key players in the Sonic space. And I'm obviously farming the THC and allowing me to use some of the Equal to build into this position more. Tin Hat Cat, I think, again, is one of the high quality memes on Fantom at the moment. So, yeah, look, that's pretty much it. Re-strategize after OVN. We'll consider doing it. 100 and, what should we say, 100 and something percent is still brilliant to see. So, yeah, look, we're going to leave it there. Hopefully, you're still sticking around and, see how things are going. So, thanks very much for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day. Thank you.